Hey, everybody. So here's a lead generation tactic that most entrepreneurs ignore, even though it works better than ads and cold messaging combined. I'm going to show you exactly how one salesperson actually doubled his leads with a simple question. I've got a quick little story that I'm going to share with you and a strategy that you'll be able to steal. Now, we've all been to those maybe home parties, maybe I'm dating myself, makeup party, Tupperware, all that kind of stuff. And the hostess asks, so who do you know that would love to have a party like this? Or maybe you've had that life insurance salesman come into your house, and after he closes the sale, what does he ask you? He asks you, who else do you know that needs life insurance, right? Well, most businesses and entrepreneurs skip this step, and it is a huge missed opportunity. I'm going to show you, let me just share my screen here, and let me show you this little slide here that will detail it a little better here than me. So let me just open this up here so you can see it. This is what I'm calling the lead generation tactic that outperforms ads. So let's face it, we've tried all of the different things here, almost like a big mass of duct tape, right? So the waste, the burnout, you're spending money, looks like you're just setting it on fire. The ads fatigued, and you're trying to attract all of these cold calls. But guess what? It's not working. All right. But the new way is what I call the referral engineering. And that's what I'm going to talk about, where people come into your world, they're pre-qualified and optimized, makes it so much more efficient for you. And you're getting to work with people that are the dream clients instead of people that you wish you'd never met them before. All right. So I want you to stop paying for the leads that don't convert and pay attention as I talk about this. Now, let me tell you a story here. There was a sales team, and there was one person that outperformed everybody else, and they didn't understand how did he get so many more sales compared to the rest of them. And so they actually sat in with this person, and you know what they realized? He wasn't working harder. He didn't have a bigger budget. What did he do? He simply did not walk away after the close. He asked one question. And this is the question. Take a screenshot of this. He says, you are exactly the kind of person we love working with. Who do you know that is just like you that would benefit the most from this? This question can generate a stream of warm leads. And why? Why does this work so well? Well, basically, consumers 92%, according to some research there, they trust the recommendations of their friends over ads. And you even see this in the business industry. If you worked at a large company, they might ask you, or they'll take your recommendation of someone that would be a great fit for a job because they trust you, okay? 3x higher conversion on a referred lead versus paid channels, all right? So this is the way to do it. You're building that trust because you're basically working off of a friend's recommendation. Now, that's not all. You also have to make sure that you have the timing just right. Okay. So I want you to adopt this mindset. You're not begging for something. You're framing as a compliment because first of all, you're saying, we love people just like you. You've been a dream client, or this has been so much fun working with you. All right. So that's the first step. Then the second step is the timing. So you need to time this at the peak emotional time, the big win. Okay. So you're just not asking willy nilly. I want you to ask right when the emotions are the highest, when they're excited, they're loving it. If you've already worked with them, maybe they've gotten a win. Okay. That dopamine is high. That's when you want to ask for that. And then you want to close that feedback loop. Don't forget about rewarding them. You know, we all like that little pat on the back. So something simple, a simple little gift card or a service upgrade increases the future for future referrals. Okay. So let's say you're a realtor and you've closed somebody's home, and then you let them know what a pleasure it was working with them. Who do they know? And then when they do give you a referral, make sure that you reward them with something. And then the last step here is make sure you track it. So make sure that you do a follow-up 24 hours at least within that 24-hour window. You want to lead with gratitude. It's not a salesy sales pitch. It's you truly are grateful, because if you love working with that person or love introducing that person to your service, that's the kind of person that you want. So that professionalism builds the trust. So let's make this miracle predictable. If you know me, I love my systems. Okay. So we want to systematize the ask. All right. Build that into your little checklist when you're selling or getting on the phone, meeting with people. It's not willy nilly. And you want to do it at the peak emotional time. Use this mirroring script. So in other words, hey, this was so much fun working with you. I love this. Who do you know that's just like you? And then make sure you reward them and then put it on, rinse and repeat. The beauty of this, there's no awkwardness on your part, no awkwardness on their part. You're complimenting them, right? No cold messaging, just warm, pre-qualified leads coming into your pipeline. Now, I've got a little, let me open up this. So just as a quick recap here, remember, cold leads, it's like stepping into that ice cube area. You have to work like 10 times harder. The trust factor is very low. The quality of leads are very low. You're spending a lot of money, maybe not getting the right traction that you want. But when you use the referral leads, guess what happens? You get people coming in this warm environment. And just by asking at the right time, who do you know just like you that would benefit from this? Okay. Make sure that you ask at the peak time. Make sure that you follow up within that 24-hour window. Let them know how much you appreciate that. And why does this work? Again, remember, 3x times higher conversion at least. The trust factor is at least 92%. And that's according to different studies that we've seen. So let me pop back over here and come back and look at you. So are you excited about this? So quit wasting your money on ads, chasing cold leads. Start implementing this referral engine in your business. Reach out to me. Let me know how you like it. If it worked, let's celebrate together. And if you want some help growing your business, putting in some systems to really scale your business, join us inside of Digital Business Academy. You're going to love it because I give you my heartfelt hand-to-hand support to make sure you're successful in your business. And hey, do me a favor, share my YouTube channel with one or two of your favorite people that's just like you that would benefit from this. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.